Wuhan. There is no clear answer yet, but there are many possibilities. For example, it might be brought to Wuhan through infected people or animals, or through the cold chain transported contaminated food, and so on. But in any case, it is certainly impossible that the virus was made by or leaked from the Wuhan Institute of Virology. We did not worry that the virus might have been leaked from the institute. It was mainly because the management of the biosafety lab of the institute has always been very strict and standardized. In the past, there have never been any biosafety accidents such as a pathogen leak or human infection. Moreover, after the identification of the genome sequence of the virus, we found that it was a brand new type of coronavirus that we had never come across or studied or obtained before. Therefore, from the beginning, it has been very clear to us that it had no connection to our research institute.
So the institute has a 100% safety record?
Yes. So far, I should better say that in Chinese.
So far, there has never been any biosafety accidents such as pathogen leak or human infections in the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
So what do you make of theories that allege the virus was leaked from this institute?
Actually, several scientists at our institute and I myself have repeatedly clarified about the virus leak rumor. It is completely untrue. It was as early as December 30th of last year when we first came across the samples containing the novel coronavirus, and we had never contacted, researched, or obtained it before that. We didn't even know the existence of this virus, let alone leak it. I would also like to add that so far there has been zero infection among the entire staff of the Wuhan Institute of Virology, which very well proves that the virus could not have been leaked from the institute.
It's been stated that there is no virus like SARS-CoV-2, but there is one that was being studied in the lab that is at least a 96% match, RATG13. Where is that sample now, and what more do you know about it?
First of all, I think we need to be clear that knowing the genetic sequence of a virus is not the same as having the saliva virus. These are two completely different concepts. Now that there are biological tools that allow us to get information about the genome sequence of the virus, this process does not necessarily involve a live virus. It might not be a particularly good analogy, but it's like we can get detailed and complete personal information about someone through big data without actually meeting them in person. If you could understand this concept, it may be easier to comprehend that all of the research on RATG13 has been limited to sequencing and analysis of the virus genome sequence. We have never obtained a live virus. RATG13 is 96.2% identical to the novel coronavirus in whole genome sequence, which might seem like quite a high percentage to the general public. But the novel coronavirus is one of the RNA viruses that has the largest genome, or to be exact, coronaviruses are one of the RNA viruses that have the largest genome. The whole genome of the SARS-CoV-2 has about 30,000 bases. RATG13 has a difference of 3.8% from SARS-CoV-2, which means that there are more than 1,100 different nucleotide positions. It would take a very long time for this virus to mutate and become SARS-CoV-2 by natural evolution. Moreover, the likelihood is extremely slim that more than 1,100 mutations would just happen to occur in these corresponding positions. Edward Holmes, who is probably one of the world's most authoritative experts on the virus evolution, has said that these genomic differences between RATG13 and the SARS-CoV-2 mean it will take 50 years or at least 20 years, for RATG13 to naturally evolve to SARS-CoV-2.
新冠病毒并不是来自于 RATG13。
And RATG13 is not from the mine where people died of COVID-like illness.
RATG13 应该说
It
检
should
测
be
出
noted that the
RATG13 这
sample
个
that
病毒序列
contained
的
the
那个
virus
样
genome
本是
sequence
采集自这个
of
墨江县
RATG13
通关镇
was
的
collected from a cave in Mojiang,
山洞，但是目前
Yunnan
并没有任